What is a provisional waiver? So, a provisional waiver is for people that have been in the U.S. illegally. Either they entered with without a visa, so they crossed the border illegally, or sometimes they had status and then their status expired. So, essentially, you might need, most of the time, people who apply for provisional waivers have crossed the border illegally, so they don't have a legal entry. Now they're married, for example, to a US citizen or to a green card holder, and they need to process their green card, right? The provisional waiver allows them to leave the US, process their green card abroad, and it's basically kind of permission from the US to leave and re-enter after you process your green card at the embassy abroad. So if you don't have a legal entry, you can't process a green card in the United States without leaving unless you qualify under some other means, right? So you might qualify under other means, and you should definitely explore those options before you should definitely explore those options before leaving the country to process your green card abroad. So I would definitely kind of make sure you turn every stone before applying for provisional waiver and leaving the U.S. It doesn't guarantee that you can re-enter, but it's kind of the government saying, yes, we'll let you re-enter after you get your green card abroad. So you apply for it while you're here in the U.S. and you don't have status, right? You haven't had status for a long time. If you didn't have a provisional waiver and you left, you might be barred from re-entry for 10 years. You might be barred from re-entry for 3 years, right? So the provisional waiver kind of takes that bar away and lets you re-enter after processing that green card. So that's what a provisional waiver is. Not everybody needs one. If you don't trigger those re-entry bars, then you wouldn't need a provisional waiver. And some people who've entered with a visa, you can process your green card right here in the US, so you don't necessarily need to apply for a provisional waiver, leave, and come back. Okay? Call us if we can help you with processing that green card application. It can be pretty complicated. If you need a provisional waiver, you definitely want to apply for one. All right, call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.